Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to duplicate Zoho Writer document in Zoho Writer. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Zoho Writer document, which we duplicate in this browser. Now we want to duplicate the document. Go to the file menu. Select the make copy option. Then we can see here the file name. Now I am write my file name. Now I am write duplicate file. You can choose your folder when you save the file. Now I am select the choose or include comments and other. Now I am select the duplicate folder and click choose. Then click make a copy. Now we can see here copying the file. Now we can see your copies is ready. You can open the file now, otherwise later. Now I am click open now and open the file in another tab. We can see here the file name is duplicate file. Then check the all file and we can see the file is duplicate in the last file. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.